Guys, we made it. We hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you a lot. But I have to say, behind the scenes, that changed a lot. I'm currently in Colombia again and I got a father. So that changed really a lot, and I don't want to get too deep into details, but it's a really big part why everything feels kinda really different right now. This channel was built because of cars, but the car also reached a turning point. My S4 gave me around 17,000 kilometers just hitting it all the time, you know, and now it's a bit too stressed, I'd say. Now the engine has to come apart and I don't know what we are going to find. It's not just maintenance anymore. It feels like a really big new part and I have to see how I can handle everything. The biggest part is right now the money. I'm not really liquid anymore. At the same time, I still have some unreleased footage, but I don't just want to throw them away. But I really need to use the content to build this channel. And that becomes the next question. What do you guys think? What should be the next chapter of this channel? I originally started this channel because I'm really into cars. So, and I don't know if everybody of you guys know, I'm also automotive engineer. But one main fact, I'm really into turbo engines. That's has to be sure. I'm not going to make some dry classroom videos. I just would love to explain real engineering, but not in the dry way. I really want to go into real cars, real stories, and real problems and solutions. We can talk about turbo engines, tuning mistakes, engine failures, E85, no lift shift, launch control, cooling, boost control, and maybe a kinda more interesting point, but maybe not so clear, I'd say the future of combustion engines and what actually matters in the real world. I want to connect raw driving emotion with the engineering behind it. So guys, I really need your opinion. What would you like to see more on this channel? Only raw and sound videos or more build story? More explanations about turbos, engines, tuning and failure, or topics like the future of combustion engines? So just to be clear, this is not the end of my car and it's definitely not the end of this channel. It's just the beginning of the next chapter. And again, thank you really much for 100,000 subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. Now let's see where we take this.